Hi friends, let's talk about a company where my interest peaked a while ago, Victoria's Secret. Surely many of you know the company due to their Angels and fashion show, and I have of course watched the show only because it has such a great pop performances there. Bruno Mars, The Weeknd, Justin Bieber, Lady Gaga, Taylor Swift, what have you there, the list goes on. Good music, right? But for those of you who have not checked the show before, here is ticker.com explaining the company shortly for you. Victoria's Secret & Company operates as a specialty retailer of women's intimate and other apparel, personal care and beauty products. It operates approximately 925 Victoria's Secret and Pink stores in the United States, Canada and Greater China, as well as online at victoriassecret.com and pink.com. In addition, the company has approximately 455 stores in 70 countries operating under franchise license and wholesale arrangements. Victoria's Secret & Company was incorporated in 2021 and is based in Reynoldsburg, Ohio. So why did my interest peak with this company? I have been reading Joel Greenblatt lately, and while I think retail and fashion are extremely difficult industries to invest in due to changing trends, therein also lies the opportunity. When a good company gets into temporary troubles, this is when the legend Mr. Greenblatt gets curious too on retail. And Victoria's Secret have had their share of scandals and bad news in the recent years. Go and Google that stuff out yourselves. So Victoria's Secret fits to this picture painted by Greenblatt, maybe. Right now, I think the stock is over 60% down since its IPO in the summer of 2021, so the stock price has taken huge hits even recently, but the real reason when my interest peaked was when I saw the company's CFO Timothy Johnson purchasing worth of $343,000 of the stock when the price was 17.16. You, my regular viewers, know I find insider buying always interesting, although one needs to always remember not to trust any one opinion on any stock, but still, when it's CFO in question, my interest peaks, I can admit you that. Also worth mentioning is that Victoria's Secret has a high short interest of 13%. Small short squeeze maybe, who knows? I don't know, but that would be a small bonus, I guess, if small short squeeze would happen with Victoria's Secret stock, but maybe don't go looking investments only from short squeeze perspectives. There might be legit reasons why there is high short interest on any given company, meaning the company is in real trouble. Well, CFO thinks the stock is now a buy. Let's see whether I think it is a buy. Victoria's Secret's main problem is its debt. The company's debt to equity ratio is huge, 425%. Looking at their debt more closely and also checking the ratings agencies say on the company is definitely able to survive short term, but long term this debt can become a big problem in my opinion. This will limit their options in the future, that is for sure, at least strategic wise speaking. Something else I don't like about the company is that the management team nor the board members really don't have skin in the game, as much as I want to see always something I don't like. Well, I guess now the CFO has started buying the stock, but still overall not really skin in the game by the management team or the board. What about the main thing then, my valuation on the company? You go and do yours, but here I will present my opinion now to you. With 10% expected annual returns and a big margin of safety due to the fact that we're talking about fashion industry here, I would be intrigued to make a smallish bet probably on the company if the stock price would hit below $9 per share, as we are now somewhere around $14. By the way, when I wrote this script for this video a week ago or something, we were much higher than $14. The Victoria's Secret stock has been trending downwards this week very much. Anyway, as we are now somewhere around $14, you can see $14, that is, you can see we need to go down a lot before I am interested more deeply in becoming Victoria's Secret stock owner. The main thing scaring me away is the debt, of the company, and that is why I need big margin of safety, and I would definitely not be willing to bet most of my money on this one still, even if it would hit under $9. I think in the best case, if the company can pay down its debt and put a little bit more energy again to its business and become the hot brand it used to be at least 10 years ago, as far as I know, I think if you bought it today, you could make nice 10% a year return in the best case. In the best case, that is. But I do highlight, I believe this is the absolutely best case, 10% a year. Without any margin of safety, and with that amount of debt the company has, you need that margin of safety really, or at least I need it personally. You need to determine yourself what you think is the right price to pay to become Victoria's Secret owner yourself. This was my quick take on Victoria's Secret. Let's see where the stock goes next. Does it keep sliding downwards? If it does, I might be interested myself. When it hits $9 and goes under, that's when I will take another look at it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you want me to do more of these videos for you. Subscribing the channel won't cost you anything. Bad investing will cost you money. See you in the next video. Bye bye.